Residents along the east bank of Essequibo can expect a more reliable supply of electricity as the Guyana Power and Light Incorporated completes one of its most important projects. GPL's Operations Divisional Director Barrett Harjon explains.
We have power coming from Vrinhu Power Station via a 69 kV line. And that power is going to Edinburgh substation. And at Edinburgh substation, we have one circuit coming all the way on the western side, all the way to Perico, and one circuit going on the eastern side, close to Vrinhu. So what we are doing now is to add another circuit from Edinburgh to Perico, but the first phase is from Edinburgh to Tushin. So there's like a parallel circuit to the existing circuit. And that will bring many benefits to us. Having one line, we know when there is a fault closer to the source, all the customers along the line will be out of power. So having an alternative line or a backup line will definitely allow for, transferring of power, helps with when we have maintenance. If there's, like for example, 2 nights ago, we had a burst conductor around the same area. When such things happen, we can transfer the power onto the other line. So customer will only see, a short outage through the switching arrangement because you got to switch from one to the next. So those are some of the benefits, and not the other benefits that will be tremendous to customer is the customers at the end of the feeder, because it's a long feeder, it's a heavy loaded feeder, and customers at the end are experiencing low voltage. So we're going to solve that problem too with this new feeder.
The Deputy Chief Executive Officer was also at one of the work sites in Tushin to oversee the project. We learned that the team is ahead of schedule with Phase 1 works between Edinburgh to Tushin to be completed shortly.
I just want to give kudos to my team. They've been doing an excellent job. All our T&D staff are out here. And as a result, they're telling me that they will get this work done under 8 hours. So we're expecting, instead of 8 hours, within 6 hours, we should be able to power up back most of the neighborhood.
Wednesday's operation was conducted after sufficient notice was given to customers of the power utility company. GPL's Public Relations Officer outlined the upcoming projects.
We want you to know that we have your interests at heart, and as a result, we're going to be publicizing all of the information regarding outages in the newspapers, on television, on radio, on our Facebook page and our website to allow you to be able to plan adequately and to make preparations for any outages.
The project forms part of the government's manifesto to provide cheaper and more reliable electricity. The project will facilitate economic growth as businesses will not be affected by lengthy downtime due to power outages. Likewise, households in the affected communities will be able to carry out their daily activities without major inconveniences.